All right, guys, we have the black high heel angel strip sandals. These come in a bulk lot of 8. So let's see. We're going to do some math here. They're $94.91. We're going to do the math on these. I already did it, but I'll clear it out. So we're going to do 94.91 divided by 8. And we're going to get a total of $11.86. Now, that's with shipping included, okay? All of the products on our channel, the shipping is already included, so you don't have to worry about that. So if you want to sell this on your Instagram, if you want to get your Instagram business started, you want to sell on Amazon, you want to sell on Poshmark or Mercari, this is where everybody's coming to get their products, so you need to come and get yours too. Now what I want you to do is I want you to smash that like button, and I want you to subscribe to this channel, because we're going to be coming out with products every single day. This is already like our 3rd or 4th video today, and we're going to just be cranking them out. We're going to be getting new stuff in every single day, so you need to get over here and you know, just get your stuff together and you know, get your load, get your lot ready, because Christmas is coming up, and start selling some of this stuff on Poshmark and Instagram and Pinterest, you know, and get busy. And let me see anything else. Oh, and we also have our phone number if you want to call. So there we go. Leave a comment in the description if you need to. Thank you.